Good morning, grade 4. Welcome to our science class. Our lesson for today is all about changes in materials. In this lesson, you are expected to describe changes in the properties of materials when exposed to certain conditions such as temperature or when mixed with other materials. Try to sip some iced tea or cold water while you are going through all the learning tasks. What did you feel? Don't you know that cold water have more dissolved oxygen? That's why it feels better to sip cold drinks than a non-cold drinks. What happened to ice cube when they were exposed to heat? The ice cube melted. What made the ice cube melt? At constant pressure, the state of materials depends on the temperature by which they are exposed. The ice cube or the solid phase of water will melt if taken out of a freezer and stayed long at room temperature. The water that boils turns into gas or vapor that comes out of the kettle if left at high temperature for too long. What is temperature? Temperature is the measurement of the amount of heat energy present in the surroundings. There is an exchange of heat between the substance and the surroundings. This means that heat can be absorbed by the materials or can be released by the materials. When the heat is absorbed by the materials, the temperature will increase. Thus, the material is hot. If heat is removed or released by the materials, temperature will decrease. Thus, it is cold. Another changes in materials due to the application of heat is called melting. What is melting? Melting happens when solid materials changes into liquid form. The heat coming from the environment made the ice cream melted when they are removed from freezer. The temperature in the freezer is 0 degrees Celsius. Thus, when ice cream were exposed to heat in the environment, high temperature of the environment caused the melting of ice cream. Generally, an increase in temperature turns solid into liquid or melting. Liquid to solid is called freezing. The liquid into gases is called evaporation. And the solid into gas is called sublimation. Boils water at certain point called boiling. The state of substances in solid, liquid, or gas phases is largely determined by its temperature. At each threshold level of temperature, the material will change its state. These changes may either be physical changes or chemical changes. What is physical changes? Physical changes like melting of ice cube, lighted candles, chocolate bar, and butter resulted to changes in their shapes, sizes, and texture. There are no new materials formed. When cooled, these materials recovered their original physical state. Some materials, when exposed to heat or different condition of temperature, resulted to chemical changes, like burning of wood and matchsticks turn the materials into ashes. Combustion of engine results to burning of fuels that causes the cars and airplanes to move or run its functions. What is combustion? Combustion, also known as burning, is the basic chemical process of releasing energy from a fuel and air mixture. For our activity, examine the pictures below, identify the process that caused the materials to change. Are you done? Let's check your answer. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Bye-bye!